In the meantime, let's find out what's happening with the weather. Louise is here with a look at it. And that time of year when it pays to pay close attention to the forecast, Louise.
Well, it's a difficult one, isn't it, Ben? Because even with sunshine and showers, you've got to be quite lucky to dodge them at the moment. We've seen a lot of heavy overnight rain, actually. It's pushing its way steadily northwards. The winds will be more of a feature as well to the weather story today, and then easing down Monday into Tuesday. So it's becoming quite a familiar sight, isn't it, with this area of low pressure and circulating around the low, these bands of showery outbreaks of rain. You can see that on the recent radar. This is actually the heavy overnight rain sitting through Northern Ireland and into eastern Scotland and the southern borders of Scotland as well, eastern England, sorry. To the south and west of that, we've got some showers, and some of these heavy and even thundery as well. But the frontal rain will tend to sit across eastern England, southern Scotland for much of the day. At the same time, that easterly wind still feeding in some nuisance showery outbreaks of rain into eastern Scotland. A little more shelter further west will be drier and brighter. And across much of England and Wales, we're looking at a case of sunny spells and scattered showers. But you can see quite clearly it could be quite a window, really, across East Yorkshire, the Midlands into East Anglia, where it will be largely fine and dry. Blustery afternoon. Gusts of winds on exposed coast, 40, 50 mile an hour, maybe even stronger across Scotland for a time. Temperatures ranging between 10 and 15 degrees on the whole. A little bit cooler in the Northern Isles, but you will have some sunshine, but that strong northeasterly wind continuing. Now, overnight tonight, that rain will weaken and it slips its way steadily north again, out of Scotland into the north of England. Still a few scattered showers across eastern Scotland, but drying up a little. Quite a lot of cloud generally. Those temperatures bearing up between 7 and 11 degrees. But tomorrow, with the low pressure weakening, we'll start to see the winds falling lighter and the showers a little few and further between on the whole. So top temperatures are likely with some sunshine coming through, generally once again 10 to 16 degrees. So the temperature's not altering that much. The story not altering that much as we move into Tuesday. Sunny spells and a few scattered showers. But I do want to get onto the middle part of the week because that's the beginning of November, and that could bring more significant weather. So some heavy rain pushing its way steadily northwards on Wednesday, then to be replaced by another low pressure moving in on Thursday. Tightly packed isobars. The winds really a feature. We could see severe gales. This could be quite a significant stormy spell of weather, and once again feeding in a lot of moisture across eastern Scotland, where the ground is pretty saturated, where we don't need to see any further heavy rain. So you'll need to keep watching the forecast, really, Wednesday into Thursday. Things could turn quite tricky once again. Back to you two.
Louise, we always keep watching the forecast. I even made sure Ben was taking notes, and I hope you can test. You're going to be testing him later.
Yeah, highs, lows.
What's he going to do then, Ben, next Saturday?
Yeah, oh yes, yes. Sunshine and showers. Yeah, intensification. Thank you very much.
Oh, I'd be terrified of Louise if she was my teacher. Pop quizzes taken by surprise.
It is 8.